Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luchis. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to draft the basic sleeve pattern, and this basic sleeve pattern is top notch. Is the kind of sleeve that when you're done fixing it on your sleeve, on your dresses, it fits perfectly well. Okay, so today we're going to be drafting this sleeve, and to achieve that we need some required measurements. First and foremost, I'll be dividing this line in two. This is 24.5, which is 12.25. So the required measurements will be our sleeve length, our cap height, our elbow level, bicep level, wrist level. Okay, so I'll go ahead to divide my paper in two because I draft this pattern using the front and back. You know that when we're drafting our upper bodies, normally our back armhole is usually smaller than our front armhole. Okay, so the same method is applied on our sleeve. Okay, so I'll go ahead to connect this line from this point. Okay, so dividing this line, we're having 12.25. Okay, so I'll connect this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, so our sleeve length for this pattern is 20. Okay, 20. I'm working with 20 inches for this client, and I'll be connecting it like this. Okay, so this 20. So to get our elbow level is your sleeve length divided by 2, which is 10 inches. So if your sleeve length is 22 or 23, just divide it by 2 to get your elbow level. Okay, and then I'm going to be squaring that out. The elbow level is 10, the sleeve length is 20. Okay, elbow level is 10, the sleeve length is 20. Okay, so I'll go ahead to connect these lines together. So this line is also referred to as the wrist level. Okay, and this one is called the elbow level, EL. Okay, so the next measurement will be our cap height. So most people don't know where the cap height is. The cap height is measured, show here. The cap height is measured from your bicep, where you have this intersection, to your shoulder tip. Okay, so that's your cap height. So for this client, her cap height is 4.5. okay, so I'll mark 4.5, and I'll connect the lines like this. Okay, having done that, the next measurement, this is the bicep level. So the cap height is the distance from here to here. Okay, so this is cap height. Now the next measurement will be our bicep circumference divided by 2, which is our round bicep measurements. Okay, so for this client is 12. I'll be sharing it on both sides. This is 6 and this is 6 inches respectively. Okay, so I'll be connecting that 6 inches from this point to the tip, or to our shoulder tip. This shoulder tip is also known as the sleeve cap, or the sleeve height. Okay, so I'll also connect this point to this point. Okay, so when I've done that, I'll go ahead to measure this line and divide it, both of them. I'll measure this divided by 3, measure this divided by 3. Okay, so this is 7.5 divided by 3 will give me 178. Yeah, 178. So I'm going to be marking it on all the 3 points positions. Okay, so this is also the 178, and 178. Okay, so I'm going to be preferably choosing here as my front and here as my back. Okay, so for the front measurements, the upper part, we're coming out with 3/4. Okay, while for the back we're going to be using 5/8. Right, for the front center point, we're going to be marking 3/16, while for the back is going to be quarter. Yeah, 3/4. Then for this, for the down part for the back is going to be 3/8. Yeah, 3/8, while the front is half, while the back is 3/8. Sorry, so the front is half. I hope I'm correct. So all you just need to do is just memorize these measurements, and that's all. So we'll go ahead and start marking. So for the front, which is half, this last one we're marking it inward, so half is measured here, 3/16 is measured here, and then the 3/4 is measured outward. So this is 3/4. For the back, the same thing, 5/8 is here, quarter is here, and 3/8 is inward, which is here. So I'll go ahead to use my armhole curve rulers to connect these points to the tip of this. So I'm connecting from here, these three. So you just adjust your armhole curve ruler to touch 3 of these points, right? Okay, so this is it, and then you turn your ruler this way, to touch from this bicep measurement through to your 1/2 inch and to the 3/16. Okay, so I keep adjusting till I get 3 of them at once. Okay, so I'll connect. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for this. So I'll keep adjusting till I get the 3 of them touching each other. Okay, and same thing here, and that is all about our sleeve. Okay, so I'll go ahead to use my marker pen to make these lines more visible. Okay, so just make the lines more visible. Okay, okay, so guys, I've gone ahead to use my marker pen to connect the lines together. The next thing we want to do is mark our elbow circumference divided by 2. So the elbow circumference I'm working for on this client is 10 inches, which is 5. Okay, so we'll mark 5 on both sides. This is 5 and this is 5. Okay, so for the wrist measurement, for this client we're working with 7.5, which is 3/3. So we'll mark 3/3 on both sides, and then we'll go ahead to connect. So from the wrist to the elbow, all the way to the bicep level measurements. Okay, so this is what we'll have. Okay, so in some cases you might want to blend or curve your armhole. So this is the perfect curve ruler for that. Okay, this hip curve, and mostly I do this for customers who are not plus sizes. You might just want to, just for fitted sleeves, just blend this. I'll use the marker pen to make it more visible, and the same thing for this. Okay, so you don't want to curve it in too much, just a little. Okay, but if the person is a plus size, you might just want to leave it like this. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, please click on the notification bell for more updates, so that when we drop videos you'll be notified. like, share these videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.